A-Level OCR Chemistry Paper 1 2017, Question 7. Silicon can be made by heating silicon tetrachloride with zinc. 8.5 grams of silicon tetrachloride is reacted with an excess of zinc. The percentage yield of silicon is 90%. What is the mass of silicon made? Let's first start with finding the moles of SiCl4 using N equals M over Mr. We have a mass of 8.5 grams and the Mr of SiCl4 is 28.1 plus 35.5 times 4, which gives us 170.1. Plugging those numbers into the equation, we get 8.5 over 170.1, which is about 0.0499 moles. Using the balanced equation, we know it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and so we get 0.0499 moles of silicon, and we just find the mass by rearranging the moles equation to get M is equal to N times Mr, which gives us 0.0499 times 28.1, and this gives us approximately 1.40 grams. As the percentage yield was 90%, we need to times by 0.9, and so we get 1.26 grams to 2 dp, so our answer is A.